let me show you all plus key functions that we have available on a OnePlus 15. So let's go to settings and we're gonna scroll down in here to find plus key settings. In here we have the full list of all options that we can assign to the plus key, and of course we're gonna start with the plus to mind space. This is the default option. In here we have three useful features of the plus key. You can press the plus key in order to recognize and save the screen content and then send it to the mind space, of course. You can also press and hold the plus key in order to start a voice recording, so you can create voice memos quite easily. And we can also double press the plus key in order to jump to mind space. Over here, we can also set up sound and vibration, and this option allows you to press and hold the plus key in order to switch between the ring mode, vibrate mode, and the silent mode. There's also do not disturb. By pressing and holding the plus key, we can enable or disable do not disturb mode. We can also use it for camera. By pressing and holding the plus key, we can quickly open the camera, and over here you can also choose which mode should be automatically chosen. So you can, for example, go immediately to the photo mode, video mode, master mode, and so on and so forth. It's up to you which one you prefer to immediately use by using the plus key. Of course, we have the flashlight. Once again, pressing and holding toggles the flashlight. We also have the recorder, so you can create audio recordings with the plus key as well, which is something that is, of course, similar to the plus to Mindspace, but this is not really saving to Mindspace, it is just saving to the recorder app instead. We have translation, so we can use the plus key in order to translate some content, and over here we can also choose what should be used for or what should be translated. So we can translate a text. We can also open the camera in order to translate whatever we have in the camera, so you can point at something in order to translate. We can also use it for conversations, for live chats, and for screen, so we can translate our screen as well. And of course, screenshot. We can press and hold in order to capture a screenshot. Last but not least, of course, we also have the option to disable the plus key. So if you wish to have no action assigned to the plus key, it is also possible to do so. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.